What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Brap Daddy. Today we're going to be installing a new Cobb intercooler. Alright guys, so the time has finally come. We are just near 1,000 miles. We have our Ford Performance Pro Cal tune on there, and it is time to install this brand new beauty. We have a silver Cobb front mounted intercooler, factory location replacement. So we're just going to be able to pop off this bash plate right here, pop out the stock intercooler, slide this sucker in there, and we will be back terrorizing the streets. So let's go over the full install. We'll do a quick unboxing of this here, and then we'll take off the bash plate and we'll get this new Cobb intercooler put on.
First step, take off the four 15mm bolts. Next step is going to be to remove the factory spring couplers on the OEM charge pipes. You can see here I used a small pick to access that clip. They are a little tricky to get off. I had never messed with something like this before, but later on in the video I go over exactly how I was able to get them to slide off. Once you get that clip disengaged, you'll be able to slide the charge pipe right off of the intercooler port. Third step is you're going to remove the two 15mm bolts on the left side and the right side bracket, which will allow you to drop the intercooler and remove the factory bushings.
Alright, so after about 10 minutes, we have the factory intercooler removed. See, I actually have a nice little crush going on there already. Don't really know why, considering the bash plate's never been off, but either way, this is our factory intercooler, which we'll do a quick comparison with the new Cobb intercooler. So here you have the difference. I mean, look at this thing. The end tanks, the actual intercooler, I mean, you can just see the overall quality and size difference of the two intercoolers. Massive, massive difference. So we're gonna take off these factory grommets here. We're gonna install them on this, reuse the factory brackets, and bolt this right up to the factory pipes for now. So let's get this new Cobb intercooler put on there.
Fourth step, slide that sucker in there and reattach the factory mounting brackets. Final step, reinstall the bash plate and you're all done.
All right guys, so there you have it. Total install was about 30 minutes. I know some people claim 10 minutes. I took my time. I didn't want to scratch anything. I didn't want to damage anything. Whole thing took me about 30 minutes. The biggest problem, honestly, was those factory little clips, which I put a video on, you can see in there, for the stock intercooler piping. They're just a little tricky sometimes, but other than that, you can see we retained our factory grill shutters, which is why I wanted this one. I wanted a direct OEM replacement intercooler where I did not have to modify anything with the grill shutters, and it would be a quick swap if I have to take it to the dealership or if there's any issues. So I kept the rear shutter off of it. I left that on the stock intercooler to see how it is. If anything, I can always pop this back out, put it back on, but we maintain the factory front grill shutters here. So overall, you can see that's it. One person job, about 25-30 minutes, not too bad. Now we'll start it up and we'll see the performance gains. Hopefully it works very well with the Ford Performance ProCal tune. And thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. And be sure to stay tuned. We're gonna have an intake coming, hopefully some charge pipes, and we'll keep on building this Bronco up. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Raptor content.